Alright guys, so me and my parents just arrived at a house that one of my uncle owns in Missouri. This is the room I was sleeping in. Got a door right here. Open it. Step out here. And yeah. There's a goodman. That's cold. That's warm. Yeah, coil sturdy. And then here's a little cabin. Okay, I can look in here. Okay, look in here. Look in this room. And we got a GE window air conditioner in here. Looks just like the one installed in my grandpa's guest bedroom, but this one's smaller. Yeah. There's one right here sitting on the table. Oh, it's even plugged in. Yep. Oh. This is where my brother's gonna be sleeping. He's gonna be sleeping in this little cabin here. So yeah, 2 window air conditioners. Goodman. Yep. Alright. Thanks for watching.